Hi, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you on how to remove your makeup the right way. Do you know that your appearance can change depending on how you wash your skin and how you apply your skincare products? You should wash your face twice a day. What happens if you don't remove your makeup properly? You will have dark circles, eyelashes fall out, uneven lip color, dark spots and acne, uneven skin tone, wrinkles and fine lines, and many more. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 steps anti-aging cleansing tips. The required tools are eye and lip makeup remover, face cleansing oil, foam cleanser, and some cotton pads and face towel. Step 1. Remove your eye and lip makeup. First, saturate a cotton pad with the eye and lip makeup remover, and then press it down around your eye areas and allow it to dissolve. After 1 minute, wipe downward to remove the makeup and be gentle to avoid pulling the eye area. Repeat the same steps for your lips. Step 2. Remove your face makeup. Use 2 to 3 pumps of cleansing oil on dry hands. And then spread gently and thoroughly over dry face and massage gently. Add water to emulsify, and then rinse thoroughly with water. Step 3. Double cleanse with foam cleanser. Rinse with water and then pat dry with a soft and clean towel. You may follow with a gentle face scrub to exfoliate your skin, recommended 1 to 2 times per week depending on your skin conditions. Thank you for watching this video.